After I got out of high school, I enlisted in the Marine Corps, went to Vietnam. It was pretty scary carrying wounded guys outside the perimeter and putting them on helicopters. And I got some shrapnel in my legs. And then my last night there, North Vietnamese battalion had a good circle around us, and I got shot 5 times that night. Next thing I knew was a couple weeks later I was in hospital, and I spent a year in the hospital.
It's the 4th of July weekend, celebrating the Semper Cares Initiative. We are 2 or 3 times a year. We try to help the deserving vet, and we are here with Stephen Fanter.
My wife, I was sitting outside, and she came out to me crying. I was scared to death, and then she told me she was crying because she was happy. And then she told me about everything that was going on.
I called them to tell them that they were the ones that had been chosen. What we're going to do for you, we're going to give you some solar panels. I said, how's your roof? She said, it's really old. I said, probably going to get a roof out of the deal. And we give you a brand new HVAC system. And she goes, well, we can't afford any of that, sir. And I said, you don't have to afford it. We're bringing it free to you.
It's been a whirlwind. I didn't even know there were companies out there to help the veteran community that has been such a big part of our freedom. It's a great thing.
We're honored to give a brand new high-efficient heating and air system along with a brand new roof and a solar system.
My name's Chuck Gallinette, and I'm with Owens Corning Roofing Products. Owens Corning has a roof deployment program, which partners with platinum contractors like Semper Solaris around the country to support our veterans.
My dad is overly humble. He's dedicated his whole life to service, so it just means the world to see somebody give back to him, and he's definitely deserving.
We're here on Independence Day, giving Stephen Fanter his independence from the electric company.
If it brings my wife to tears, I don't even know how to begin to thank you. I just can't. It's probably one of the greatest things that's ever happened to me.